Hello guys, my name is Greg. In this video we will learn together how to sell our NFT, our images on Gate.io NFT marketplace. It is totally free, so you don't need to pay any amount of money to sell your tokens. So I think it will be interesting for people who can draw some images or generate it with some code or programs. So let's start. Of course, I will put my referral link for Gate.io website inside the description of this video. So now we are on a Gate.io website link. It is big crypto exchange with NFT marketplace inside on it. And if you don't have an account, you can easily make it using this sign up button. Use your email or phone number or MetaMask wallet or Google account. I have account, so I will log in now. Okay, right now we already log in. We have our profile information, and now we can start deployed our NFT to Gate.io NFT marketplace. So please click this NFT button. Okay, we already on Gate.io NFT web page, and we can create our first NFT collection. Click button at the top, My Assets. Then click button Collections. And right side button Create Collection. Okay, right now we are on Collection Create web page, and we ready to create our first collection. If you want to create your NFT collection, of course you need to have assets for it. For first you need a few images. For second you need a logo for your collection. You need a banner, and you need to know information how you name it, your collection and each NFT token. Of course, I prepare something and will upload a logo for first. I will use my own small collection, name it Ladislao. So I prepare logo. Let's upload it here. Then we will upload a banner. And we will upload a big banner. So right now let's put the name of our collection. The name of my collection will be Ladislao Boni collection. Then let's add some description. It will be very good if you prepare all information in some place and just copy paste the words. It will save your time. Then you can add your website link. Maybe it will be your YouTube channel. You can add your Telegram channel. You can add Discord link. I will left this and come back later. Here, chain category. We can choose only one selection. Let's left this. The next selection is very important thing. Here you can choose how much amount of money in percentage you want to take from each of selling. I mean, if someone will buy your NFT from your side, you will take 100%, and then when someone will sell this NFT, you can take royalty from this selling. You can choose 0 percentage but I will take 5%. In the last selection, I recommend to click no button. So now everything are ready and we can create our first collection. Please make attention that everything are right: name, category, description, your website link, your banners and icons. Let's confirm and create our first collection. Very good, our first collection are ready, and now we need to add some NFT to this collection because we need to sell something. Let's click my assets again, and in this right corner create NFT button. For first upload image, for example this with blood image. Again choose name of your NFT. I already prepare the names and I just copy paste this. Ladislav Vampire. Then choose collection. I choose Ladislav Bonnie collection for this NFT. Work attribute, I ignore it. Description for my NFT, again I will just copy paste this because I already provide this this information. Unlockable option, it means that when someone will buy your NFT, you can provide additional content for your buyer. It can be a link or text description. Right now I will left it. Copyright option, I already left and ignore, and then here we see that 5% of royalty will get for us if someone buy and then sell this NFT, and limit of NFT will be only 1. So here we can left these 2 options. Just put next, click this button and confirm. Now click mint now button, and here very important thing, Gate.io now ask us about fund password. This is not password from your login and sign up information, and now I will show you where we can find fund pass information. Come to Gate.io website, click to right side corner button to our profile. Click security settings, and little bit downside you will find fund password button. Click it and make it and save it. When you create your fund password, you can come back to our Gate.io NFT collection web page and put in this fund pass field. Good, this NFT already minted, but you need to understand that this is not selling right now. Let's just check and find our first NFT. go to my assets button again, button works, and here we will find all NFTs that we already minted. Take a look, it is my Ladislav Vampire NFT that I minted 1 second ago, but I can't sell it right now. I need wait maybe 15 or 25 minutes because Gate.io system need approve it. Maybe they need time to check that this is our work and not just copy paste from another NFT collection. So we need to wait maybe 15 minutes and then we can sell it. Now I will add a few NFT more for my Ladislav Bonnie collection, so we can check how to do it again. My assets, create NFT, click upload. Let's choose this NFT token. I will put name of token, just copy paste it. Work attributes I ignore, then choose my Ladislav collection, then make description and click next because I ignore these fields. Confirm, mint now. This time I don't need put any font password, so it is little bit easy this time. And I add the third NFT token for this collection right now. Again, name, Ladislav the King, collection, right, description, next, mint now. Good. Right now I have 3 NFT of my Ladislav collection, but I can't sell it. I need wait some time and then we will sell it together. Okay guys, I think already passed maybe 15 minutes and I think that we already can sell our NFT, our 3 NFT from Ladislav collection. Okay, before we start selling our 3 NFT from Ladislav collection, let's remember the 2 steps that we already do. For first, we create a collection, and for second, we mint our 3 NFT. Here they are. Then we waiting maybe 15, maybe 25 minutes, and now we can sell it. We can see our 3 NFT on my assets page because we can sell it now. So let's do it. For first, we put up for sale Ladislav Vampire token. Click on it. Now we have sell button, click, and here we can choose fixed price contract or auction. Let's make fixed price, so buy it now. Payment currency USDT, it means stable coin like $1, and we will put the price, for example $1. Of course you can choose your price by yourself. We already choose $1 price and just left the timing. So we see that duration of sale period will be 3 days. You can choose the period by yourself. I will left it. Then when everything are good, click the below button. Again, we need to put our font password, and this NFT already listed. We see that this NFT will be sold 3 days. That price for this NFT is 1 USDT, it means $1. Right now let's go back to our 2 remaining pictures and sell them. Again, click My Assets button. This NFT already on sale, and let's make this with another 2 images. Click for one. Again, sell button. Again, $1 USDT price. Again, timing will be 3 days, and click to list. So guys, we already put up for sale our 3 images from one collection. Very good. I hope you did it as well. Of course, you need to understand that competition and very strong, and there is no 100% that you will sell your tokens. So if you want to sell your tokens, try different strategies, try make some advertising for it, try change the price, make it more or less. Of course, very important things it is community. If you have your own community, you can ask them to buy your NFT and they will do it. Anyway, I hope that this video will be helpful for you guys. Try to make it, try to sell something, and then write your results in the comments. The link for Get.io exchange will be at the description of this video. The link for my collection will be also at the description. If you want to help for this channel, you can buy my own NFT on Gate.io NFT marketplace, or buy my NFT on OpenSea. It will help for me a lot. Or also you can just donate some crypto. All links and all information will be at the description. Thank you guys, thank you for your attention, and bye for now.